20 tiny habits that will change your life in 6 months. 1. Make your bed. Build momentum plus set the tone for the day. Your future self will thank you. 2. Take an internal shower. Drink a full glass of water right away. 60% of your body is water. Replenish it. 3. Jump rope for 2 minutes. This will activate your mind plus body. 4. Step outside. Jump rope outdoors? Get 2 for 1. A healthy tide of cortisol is released when you step outside at daybreak, allowing you to become more alert. 5. Review your goals. Remind yourself who you want to be. 14% who have goals are 10x more successful than those without goals. The 3% with written goals are 3x more successful than the 14%. 6. Read a passage. Philosophy, religion, etc. Read philosophy, or scriptures, before you check your phone. 7. Water a plant. Learn to take care of something other than yourself. Pets are great, plants are smaller scale. 8. Take a 1 to 2 minutes cold shower. Take a regular shower, turn the water cold for the last 1 to 2 minutes. You'll feel on. 9. Send a good morning text. GM text makes someone's day. 14. End workday with a shutdown ritual. Create a short shutdown ritual. Close your lap, plug in the charger, spend 2 minutes tidying your desk. Then say shutdown. Separating your life and work is key. 15. Journal one beautiful life moment. Delicious tacos, presentation you crushed, a moment of inner peace. Write it down. Gratitude programs a mindset of abundance. 16. Lay out clothes for tomorrow. The best morning routine starts the night before. 17. Pack healthy snacks. People are the worst version of themselves when they're hungry. 18. Charge your phone outside of reach. The morning alarm will spring you out of bed. And the day is on. 19. Practice 4-7-8 breathing. The breathing technique will help you alleviate stress and fall asleep fast. Here's how to do 4-7-8 breathing. 1. Breathe in through your nose for a 4-second count. 2. Hold your breath for a 7-second count. 3. Exhale for an 8-second count, making a whoosh sound through pursed lips. 4. Repeat up to 4 times, twice per day. 20. Give your mind an overnight task. Upon closing your eyes, give your mind a job. How might I make an extra $1,000 each month? Don't try to solve it then, just release it to your subconscious, which will work on it overnight.